Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we are going to be walking through a very phenomenal boat. This is the brand new Sea Ray SLX 260 Surf. So you're going to get all the same appointments that you would see in a 400, a 310 SLX, now in a 26-foot surf option. First thing to note is you will have a nice seating area back here with a very spacious storage compartment. We have the full boat cover in there and there's still plenty of space left. As we move forward, you will notice that on this boat you do have the power tower option that will allow you to fold the tower down just with the press of a button, and this allows you to be able to go under low clearance bridges, or if there's some inclement weather, it pulls it down to windshield level. Here in the back, plenty of seating for all of your guests on board and a dual captain's chair that will swivel around. On most 23 foot and above, you will have access to a head on board. So you'll have a sink, a pump out toilet down there. And on the opposing side, you will have the helm station of this boat. Very easy access to your throttle. All the dash is nicely labeled, very easy to get to, and very good visibility over the dash. They've gone with twin SIMRADs on this model to allow you to pull up different configurations like your surf tab on one, and then on the other one you can have your navigation. Up here in the bow, the appointment to detail is like none other. They carry the non-skid up the front in case you do walk up front. You'll have nice grip all the way through. Tons of seating, leather wrapped grab handles like you see in the 400 SLX. And very sought after option is the windlass anchor system. So now you will have a capability to surf all day, go to the cove, don't have to tell people to get up. Your anchor's already stored on the bow of the boat. This boat is here on Lake Lanier. My name's Quinn and I'd love to show you this boat.